Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is how to make neem leave-in conditioner, which you can use to moisturize your hair. Alright, let's get started. This is neem leaf. If you are in Nigeria, it is called dogoyaro. So let's talk about some of the benefits of neem. Neem conditions your scalp. It promotes healthy hair growth. It temporarily seals hair follicles. It soothes hair dryness. It minimizes gray hair. It reduces dandruff, and it also treats head lice. So guys, this neem contains a lot of benefits. It contains a lot of nutrients and minerals. This leave-in conditioner is easier when you use the neem powder because it will save you this whole process. If you don't know how to make neem powder, I will leave the link in the description box. I added shea butter, and this is fenugreek and clove oil. Guys, this oil is so powerful, you need to try it. I will also leave the link in the description box. Then I added orange oil. Feel free to make use of any oil of your choice. Allow to boil on low heat for 1 to 2 minutes, then allow to cool and strain the oil. As you are mixing the conditioner, make sure that the oil and the conditioner are equal. This will make the conditioner blend very well with the oil. But if the conditioner and the oil are not equal, the oil will be on top of the conditioner no matter how hard you try to blend it. So guys, this is all for this video. If you have not joined my family, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, I'm available at the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.